Damn, what's wrong with her? Who can't drive? Unacceptable! Hey everybody, so Amber and I are about to do a bike ride today. This is going to be the first bike ride that we have ever done, first bike ride that I have ever done, and we're both looking very much forward to it. We're here at the Memorial, can't speak today, A-E-I-O-U. We are about to do a bike ride here in the Memorial City area, and really beautiful area. Used to work here. I've, you know, spent quite a lot of time here, many years here. Mostly a lot of it spent at this mall here, which is Memorial City Mall. That is not really a plug, but it's a plug nonetheless. So very sunny out. I think the last time I checked the temperature was like 91, and yeah, so this is us just kind of documenting.
Made wonderful cassava smoothies today.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what, like,
they're really good. They're really good. They're really good. So yeah, it's really good. That's a nice Range Rover. But yeah, so right, there's a constable there. How you doing? Little constable. Yeah, do that community. Gotta get that community policing in. Come on now, you gotta wave to the police. You can't. You know, they ain't all bad. Everybody talking about this defund the police and all this jazz and stuff.
No way.
You know, and then when they in trouble,
no way.
Police help!
Ghostbusters!
Help! Please! You know. But yeah, it's beautiful. Memorial City Mall. I mean, Memorial City area. And they're constantly building. It's like every few years they add another building to this area. So I mean, it's constantly growing. Very lucrative place. Nice buildings. They're not too tall. You know, they got some baby likes she likes the trees and the greenery. And this is a crosswalk for us, babe. Alright. They're gonna let us through. They're gonna need to. They're gonna need to. Don't kill us. Alright now. Come on now, there's a crosswalk now. See, because, and I was telling, and I say it all the time, you know, like in places like LA and stuff where, you know, vehicle traffic is so used to seeing foot traffic that it's normal for them there to actually be looking out for people on foot. But here in Houston, where everything's so spread, so wide and so far, you know, many people have cars. And then for people who are not, you know, drivers, they take a lot of the public transportation, but you just don't see many people on foot. So people don't really look out for people who are on foot. And it's kind of dangerous. We have lots of hit and runs here, people on bikes. I don't know how many bike deaths we get every year, and just vehicular stuff like that. But yeah, that's the gym. That's the gym. And but anywho, those are the bikes. We're looking very much forward to this. We're really excited. Would you like to say anything?
No, apart from I'm hoping that I don't bust my behind, because I haven't been biking in forever. But we were talking about how you never forget when you learn how to ride a bicycle. So
whoops.
We'll see. Just don't ask me to skateboard, because that's not happening.
Oh, I know how to do that too. Baby didn't know that. Baby didn't know I know how to skateboard.
Okay, baby. Just past one trip. Easier to check out the station maps candy.
Oh, they got the QR here, and then they have the apps. You know what? I used to have that app actually. I downloaded it a long time ago and it never ended up using it.
Okay, so is that oh, BC? Oh, B-Cycle. That just made sense to me.
B-Cycle, yep.
Wow. Like you're recycling bicycles.
Right, exactly. Bicycle, B-Cycle, recycle, B-Cycle. You will see the numbers going here.
Oh, nice.
And also here. And I have the LED turned off to conserve battery, but this is another way that you would be able to tell.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right.
All right, so you said 7?
Dock number 7.
Oh, no, baby.
Bruh.
It's taking me back again. Hold on.
Oh, damn.
You might want to turn that off.
All right.
I'm following you.
We are off.
Let's see how long it's been since you rode a bike.
Hell yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Let me stop playing before I fall and bust my ass. Huh? You good? You good, man?
It's like, to me, like when it gets into those tight spaces,
Yeah.
it makes me nervous.
Really? So that's when you just have your feet down? That way you always have your something to, you know what I mean?
Yes, but it slows down the momentum. Are we going that way? Or?
Yeah, we're gonna go across the crosswalk. We'll probably walk our bikes across to the crosswalk, and then we'll follow the bike rules and regulations and everything.
Okay.
This is so cool! Oh my god! This is awesome. GoPro turn off. Make sure it's on. GoPro turn off.
Still on.
Okay, babe. Thank you. All right. And next time, babe, I guess we'll do it like in a park or something. When we do like the couples biking thing. Oh, you can set your resistance, babe. If you push this knob on this side, if you turn it forward, then you don't have to pedal hard. This one right here. The Starbucks is that, I think, right? Or am I tripping? Looking good, mama.
Like, what is it coming?
What was coming? Oh, damn, they got it blocked off. They got it blocked off right here. So, I guess we can go back over here and go back through that little entrance over there.
What is blocked off right there, baby?
You see it?
Right there.
It's, no, but not on this side.
That side?
Yeah, on that side it's open.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember seeing it.
I'm following you, baby.
Ooh, shade is nice. Shade is really nice. These bikes are heavy, ain't they?
Are they?
They got some good, it's like riding on a car. Sorry.
No, you fine.
Sorry. I don't trust myself to not clip nobody.
No, I'm the same way. You see how thin this shit is?
Huh?
You see how thin this is? This was like that.
Yeah.
Me so. I don't see how guys come up here like that.
They just jump right on. This is nice.
This is what I wanted to feel like.
Yeah.
Not stuff like I come out.
Yes.
It didn't take us so long to get out.
Yeah. Nice job, man. What happened? Got a car behind you, baby. Nope, can't go that way. Sorry. I thought it was a sidewalk. So this is new too. These are some lofts.
Okay.
And they just built them about a year and a half ago. And so as I could clearly see. You're too high up still?
No, I think it's like I'm only able to start fiddling with my
Oh.
if I start from this way.
Oh, really? I'm trying to see what you're talking about. Oh, okay.
If I start from the other side, I go
Yeah.
like wiggly wobbly.
Oh, so you have more control from this side, right?
Oh, it's big. It's like a sweet track.
Yeah. We'll be alright. How you doing, officer? Take it easy. Babe, we are a car. That's how it is. That's how it be when you're on these bikes. We can't keep moving off. And I had to remember that. We can't keep moving off this street just because the cars behind us, they'll just go around us. When we on the street, we gotta act like we own the street with the bike. You know what I mean? That's how, for real, that's how it be. If you go to like New York or something, that's how they are. They ride like they own the entire sidewalk.
That's a lot easier for me.
Yeah. This is better, right?
Yeah, much better.
Better than the sidewalk.
No wonder they people like the street. I be like, man, it's north. I'm gonna move over to this side, man.
Oh yeah. Whoever behind us. Oh, it's just security. What's up, security? Security. Hold on. Security of the world, Craig. I thought I'd be nice and let him move, let him go.
Yeah, I don't like people just behind me like that.
I feel that. I mean, but there's a lot of traffic in this area. It's always going to be traffic. And they could go around. Ah, baby taking the sidewalk. Look at you. Busting moves. I love this. Huh. That was smooth, babe. Alright, so we're just going to follow this street all the way around. We'll follow the traffic laws and stuff like that, like
That
everybody.
way?
Oh yeah, this gonna wind all the way around.
Okay.
Yep. Damn, what's wrong with her? Who can't drive?
I know where we're going.
Yeah. I'm hoping my video will last at least the whole trip around. Like, come on now. I'm not switching another battery. That's too tedious. You gotta take it out of the case, then open it up, take the battery out, put the other one in, put it back in, snap it back down, screw it back to the thing, you know?
Oh, baby, we're riding together.
We're riding our bikes together. Baby, you want a towel?
Oh, no, I'm not sweating.
You good? Okay. This is so cool.
It is so.
I like the skyline too.
Yeah. We went and saw the movies. Went to the movies at one time.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite mall.
Is it?
This is my favorite mall in Houston.
Woo! You gonna go
Whoa,
see?
whoa. What happened? Why you move? Keep going on the street. Don't let nobody run. Huh? Your booty? What happened to your booty, babe? Why do I feel like your seat is still too high up?
Because it probably is.
You want to adjust it so you don't have to?
No, but then my knees are like
Too high. Oh, I feel you. I feel that. Then you're having to pedal more harder and
right.
yeah.
So I think it's like, okay, I just need some adjustments with this.
Yeah. And it's been years since we both rode a bike, right?
Yeah.
You got it, baby. They keep good condition of these bikes. They took good care of them. Babe, you want to go this way? I was saying you want to go that way, but that's okay.
Oh, yeah, I didn't make you.
We're already past it. I asked you late anyway.
I'm sorry.
You good, babe? I like seeing you in front of me.
Diddy,
Yep.
you want to go this way? Or keep going around?
Yeah, we could go, like, go around.
Oh, shit. Baby. I can't get to go without this leg being up top.
Oh, I feel you.
That's weird.
Coming to get you. Babe, your seat looks twisted. Is it? Or am I just tripping? No, your seat literally looks like it's pointing a different direction other than like forward ahead of it.
I think it's pointing to the right.
It is.
Yeah, that's why I think about that.
Can I adjust it for you? Yeah, it is. Okay. Wait, you good.
Oh, wow.
Okay, you good. Got it?
Yes.
Alright.
Well, thank you, baby.
You're welcome. I didn't realize it was like that.
Until you were behind me.
Yeah, until I was behind you. Now you got me looking at mine.
Oh, no. Oh, that's so much better.
Better?
Yeah.
Nice.
I was trying to correct that while I was riding. Maybe you like walk.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, baby.
You're welcome, honey. Keep straight. We're gonna follow the street all the way around.
Oh, it feels so much better, babe.
I'm glad.
I actually feel like balance.
You feel a better balance, huh? They gonna stop. Get off the phone. What's wrong, baby? We got the right of way. We got the right of way. So now I'm gonna get in front of you and just follow me. I used to work at that Target. I think I told you already.
You got what?
I used to work over there, that Target. Bad, huh? Good exercise too.
That lady was like, not even.
She was on the phone. Like, oh my God. Oh, for real?
Yeah. I was like, oh, right in front of all those cars.
Well, you know, when your titty itch, your titty itch. Where you going, mama?
Oh, let me get behind you.
Oh, okay. So, you know, this is not bad, huh? Yeah. Ooh, please let us go. Thank you. Oh, yeah? I'm gonna stop and get some water. Just like, we're gonna follow, yeah, we're gonna follow this around, and I'll show you. And then we'll end up back in that parking lot park. And from there, you know. Oh yeah? I guess I could show you better than I can tell you. I hope my GoPro is still recording. It's probably dead already, for all I know. I know, right? I learned how to drive in this parking lot.
You did?
Gail.
Oh, baby.
Gail taught me.
What? Dude, like.
I told her she's been around, baby. She really been around. She's really been there for me when I was when I was a kid. Like, oh, this is where they got it blocked off. All right, that's how they feel. We probably have to come up here on the sidewalk. So they really just tearing up, ain't they? Can I help you? please? Anytime, man. Got it? Alrighty, more sidewalks. Sorry, babe. Or we can like cut through here if you want. Huh? Okay. Got it, babe? Okay. Woo! Damn, so I guess we're gonna have to go through here. Plus we get some shade. That's really nice. She recording us? Ha. She was recording us. Why is she recording us? That's a nice car though. She was like, ugh. And she had it in landscape mode. She did it the right way. Why are you recording me, ma'am? Why are you recording us? I feel offended. Yeah?
Yeah, she was recording.
Uh-oh, got a car.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to destroy that like button and subscribe for more raw media content.
Unacceptable!